Okay, so share ko sa inyo to guys, no, kung paano natin guys ma-fix guys yung GCash full verification problem. We're verifying your account guys. So para ito guys sa mga GCash guys, no, sa mga GCash full verification problem guys. So para ma-fix natin guys yung ganitong issue guys sa ating GCash account guys, ay kailangan natin ito guys screenshot ito guys yung we're verifying your account na ito guys, kasi isasubmit natin ito guys sa ating submit a ticket guys, no. Isasama natin ito siya guys, isasubmit guys. Okay, so para ma-fix natin guys, screenshot muna natin ito. So pag na-screenshot na natin ito guys, ay punta na tayo dito guys sa ating Google Chrome browser natin. So punta tayo dyan. So pagdating natin dito guys sa ating Chrome browser guys, ay i-type lang natin dito guys yung GCash Help Center. GCash Help Center. So ito yung ita-type natin guys, no. GCash Help Center guys. So papasok tayo dito. Kailangan kasi natin guys makapag-submit a ticket guys, no, para ma-fix natin guys itong GCash full verification problem na ito guys. Okay? So ngayon guys ay magpasok tayo dito guys sa website nila guys, sa GCash Help Center. Kailangan natin guys chat with Gigi guys, no, or chat with Gigi guys. Yan, so wait lang natin guys, no, medyo may na guys yung connection natin. So yan siya guys, no. So pagdating natin dito guys, makita natin ito guys yung chat with Gigi or Gigi na ito guys. Click natin ito guys para makapag-submit tayo guys ng ticket natin guys, no, para sa ating GCash full verification problem guys. So wait lang natin guys, no. So ito na nga siya guys, no. So wait lang natin. So magchat guys si Gigi or si Gigi sa atin. Yan. So ngayon guys, ang gagawin natin dito guys ay mag-type tayo dito guys sa message na ito guys, no. Yan. So mag-type tayo dito, submit a ticket. Submit a ticket. Yan. So yan lang yung ita-type natin dito, tapos i-click natin ito guys yung arrow na ito. Ito yan. So send natin. Tapos magbibigay sa atin guys ng form guys, no. Si chat with Gigi guys. Ito guys, no. Submit a ticket. So click natin guys yung submit a ticket. Yan. So ngayon guys, pagdating natin dito guys, mag-click natin guys ng submit a ticket guys, ay ito yung lalabas guys, no. So dito guys, ilagay lang natin guys yung email address natin na nakakonect doon sa ating GCash account, at dito guys yung GCash registered full name. So ilagay rin natin dito guys yung GCash registered full name natin. At dito, so select country where you registered your account. So ilalagay lang natin dito, so Philippines naman tayo guys, no. So Philippines lang tayo dito. Tapos ilagay rin natin dito guys yung mobile number natin guys na naka-connect doon sa ating GCash account guys. Okay? So dito naman guys sa concern category, click lang natin ito guys. Yan, so click natin to. So pagka-click natin guys, ay ito yung lalabas guys, no. Ngayon guys, meron tayo ditong pagpipilian guys. So click natin ito guys yung account verification guys, no. Dahil nga nagkaroon tayo guys ng GCash full verification problem guys. So click natin ito. Yan, tapos click natin ito guys yung I have existing application. Yan. So bali update lang natin sila. So click natin yan. Tapos click natin ito guys yung my account is still in, we're verifying your account guys. So ito yung lumalabas sa atin guys. So click natin ito. So click natin yan. Tapos dito guys sa your account type. So click lang natin guys yung your account type natin. So your account type natin guys ay Filipino citizen tayo guys, no. 18 plus years old with Philippine SIM guys. So ito lang yung pipiliin natin guys. Yan. Tapos dito guys where you advised to submit additional documents. So nakadepende sa atin guys, no, kung merong pinapasubmit sa atin guys na additional documents guys nung nag-email sila sa atin guys. So sa akin guys wala naman guys, no. So kaya ilagay ko lang dito guys no guys. Yan. Tapos dito sa date of last KYC attempt guys. So ito na guys yung beyond 7 calendar days. So yung pipiliin natin dito beyond 7 calendar days guys. Yan, so click natin ito. Yan, tapos click natin ito guys yung screenshot of transaction or error prompt na ito guys, no. So yun yung kaninang screenshot natin guys, ay isasama natin dito, isi-send guys. Tapos dito naman guys sa please share what happened or add other information about your concern guys. So ita-type lang natin dito guys yung concern natin guys, no. So yung concern nga natin guys ay yung about sa GCash full verification problem natin guys, na lumalabas guys na we're verifying your account guys. So ngayon guys, ilalagay lang natin dito guys yung concern natin. So sabihin lang natin dito, hi GCash team, I want to update my application for the verification of my account, because it's already beyond 7 working days from the day when I apply, and until now my personal account has been verified. Please help me to fix my account. So yan lang yung concern natin guys, no. So basahin natin guys. Hi GCash team, I want to update my application for the verification of my account because it's already beyond 7 working days from the day when I apply, and until now my personal account has not been verified pala guys. Has not been verified. So hindi pa rin na verified guys, no. Please help me to fix my account guys. So yan yung concern natin guys, no. Yan. So ngayon guys, kapag okay na yan guys, i-click naman natin dito guys yung add files na ito guys, no. So dito guys sa add file or draft files here guys, yung na-screenshot natin kanina guys na we're verifying your account guys. So i-click lang natin ito guys para makapunta tayo guys sa ating gallery guys, para ma-select natin guys yung na-screenshot natin na screenshot natin kanina guys, no. Yan. So kapag okay na yun siya guys, so dito napilapan natin dito guys yung information na ito guys. Dito sa submit a ticket natin guys, meron na rin tayo ditong concern, meron na rin tayo ditong na-upload na screenshot. So click lang natin ito guys, no, yung submit na ito guys, para ma-fix guys yung ating full verification problem guys, no. Yan. So I hope guys na makatulong sa inyo itong video tutorial natin. Sa mga bago pa lang sa ating YouTube channel, huwag natin kalimutan guys i-click guys yung subscribe at yung notification bell button para ma-update ko kayo guys sa susunod nating video tutorial. Thank you guys and God bless sa lahat.